Hey, what's going on YouTube? Krowcast Ahmed here, and today we're taking a look at the Rising Liger from Takara Tomy, and it is from the Zoids Wild series. I believe this is the Wild Zero series, but I haven't seen any of that yet, so yeah, this is pretty foreign to me. The only reason I picked this up is because I do love the aesthetics. I love the fact that it has a revolver sword thing on its back, and I'm pretty sure this is not going to be getting a Kotobukiya H&M figure, or sorry, not figure, but model kit just yet. But I do know the regular Liger Wild is going to be getting one, so I'm holding off on getting that Takara Tomy, and I'm going to wait for the H&M. Now this is a motorized model kit, so it's going to move, and it's going to do some action stuff, so that's going to be pretty cool. Now this retailed for about 3,000 yen. I think that's about the average. I've seen it on Mandarake for about 2,500 yen. I've seen it in other places for about 3,500 yen, so it really depends on where you're going to be able to get it. Okay, so out of the packaging, we're going to get greeted with a manual. We have the A bag, which is a compilation of different parts that seem to already be cut, so hey, lucky for me, I don't have to actually cut things off of sprues. Then we have a B bag, an S bag, and I guess like the base mechanism, so once again, not too sure about all this. This is just probably the motorized section where everything starts moving. And the actual motor, so I know it takes one AAA. I have to figure out where you, I think you just unscrew this and you put the AAA battery right in there. So yeah, this is the motor. Now within B bag, all we're going to be getting is a bunch of this gold parts for just all the armor, the claws, everything that you've seen. So this actually be really easy to paint. And we're going to have a bunch of red parts, which is going to be more for the armor. And the C bag has the pilot, which that just looks weird. I don't even know how I'm going to paint that, but I'll do my best. And you're also going to have the retinas, which is pretty cool. And we also get a nice glossy sticker sheet. And pretty much all of the A bags are going to be inner frame stuff. So this is all inner frame right here, like the base. And then you're going to have some silver, which doesn't look too bad. I think I got something I could do with all this. You also get these like soft rubber parts. Don't really know if I'm going to paint these, just because painting these are probably going to be a pain in the ass, but we'll see. But let's go ahead and get to the completed build. And here's the completed Rising Liger. This is a beautiful, beautiful Zoid. I know a lot of people have gripes and issues with the Wild series or the Wild Zero series. However, I don't. I never watched it, so I'm kind of going into this, blank canvas. And honestly, the Wild series, maybe the animation direction or art style is not my thing. It's a little bit too childish from what I really want, but I still think it looks great. I think the in-battle animation for the Zoids themselves looks amazing, and these toys are phenomenal. I think I paid maybe like 2,500, 3,000 yen for this, and I really do think I got my money's worth. The overall finish, the gold finish, the red looks good, everything is fairly glossy. The internal design and just details, it is beautiful. Absolutely love everything about this. And if I got to mention, you are going to get some stickers, but I'm just going to leave these off for now. Now something to note is that you're going to get this clear figure. I was going to paint it because I thought it's the original character, but it doesn't look like it's the redhead kid. I don't really know who this is. It looks like maybe a generic pilot. So I think whenever I do the painted build, I may omit this, but I don't know. I might just try my hand and paint it in some generic pilot colors. And like I mentioned earlier, there's going to be sporting a really cool cannon. And of course the gun blade, which we're going to go ahead and demonstrate right now. All we're going to do is push this forward. So what are my final thoughts on this kit? Honestly, it's amazing. It's not as much of a model kit as it is a figure you just happen to put together, because this doesn't come on sprues or anything. It's really just already laid out there for you, so you're just piecing it together. But it is a good introductory for a lot of people who maybe are scared of model kits and they just want to get their hands dirty. So yeah, go ahead and get this. It looks really cool. I love the walking animation with the gun blade just kind of whipping out. I think it's fantastic. So this is something I'm probably going to get further into. I'm not too sure if I'm going to get into the old series like this, but I will be getting into the the High Master Model collection. So the HMM Kotobukiya line, I am 100% going to be buying. And for this one in particular, I'm actually going to paint it because I'm just like that. I really just want to paint this kit and it looks cool, so maybe I can bring out a little bit more details if I give it a pretty decent paint job. But other than that, it's fantastic. It looks amazing. And I think for the price tag, it's not really that bad. It can be a little bit cheaper, but then you gotta keep in mind, this thing comes with a motor. So I'm pretty sure that might be a little bit what's drawing the price point to a little bit of higher stakes. But other than that, guys, thank you all for watching. Have fun with Zoids Month, and please use that hashtag Zoids Month so that way I can find all your kits, models, your toys, anime, stories, everything. But I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.